Hello everyone. Today in this video, I will explain you about the list view and also discuss the editing and the removing process of the list view in Salesforce. So let's jump to the topic and discuss about the list view in Salesforce. The list view permits the user to filter the list of the records within an objects like contacts, leads, accounts, or any of the custom object we create. List view also permits the user to arrange and display the records based on the predefined criteria. The existing list view can be edited and the new list view can be created to link up the organization requirement. Now, let's move ahead and discuss how to add and remove list view in Salesforce Lightning. So let's jump to the org. So let's move to our org. This is my Salesforce Lightning org, and here we can see how to remove or add the list view from the objects. So for this, click on the app launcher. This is my app launcher and enter the sales in the search box of the app launcher and click on the sales option. Our sales page is open and under this page lots of objects are present on the name bar, and here we want to have a list of customer object, and here we are selecting the accounts object. Click on this account object and the account record page is open. For adding the list view, there is a gear icon. This is the list view gear icon, and click on the drop down arrow of this gear icon, and under this drop down list we can see that there is a new option button. Click on this new option button for creating the new list view. The new list view dialog box is open. Now fill the details related to the list view. First fill the list name, and here we are filling the list name as a customer list. Enter the customer list in the field as, and then fill the list API name by simply clicking on the field, and our list API name is automatically filled by simply clicking on the list API name field. And after that, select the checkbox who see the list view. And here we are selecting the all user can see this list view checkbox. After clicking on the checkbox, click on the save button and our customer list view page is created. Now add the filter, and I filter this by all the accounts. Click on the all account and click on the done button, and we want to add the new filter, so click on the add filter. For adding the filter, click on the drop down arrow of the field, and we want to add type in the field option. Select the type and then select the operator. We select the equals operator and we enter the value as a customer channel. Click on the customer channel and click on the done option. Now matching all this field, and now click on the save button, and now we can see the whole list. All the accounts that in our org that are related to the customer are present here. Now we want to add the field here, so click on again on the gear icon of the list view. The drop down list is open. Now select the select field to display option, and the select field to display dialog box is open. Now I am selecting the account name which is already present in the visible field, and also select the account side. Now scroll to the bottom and see where is the account side, and here is the account side option. Now add this to the visible field, and we select this side and comes to the top under the account name, and after that we want to select the type option. Now scroll to the bottom of the available field and search the type. Where is the type, and select the type and add to the visible fields. After that, we want to select the account source. So selecting the account source and add it to the visible field also. Now removing the phone field from the visible field, and also removing the account owner alias field, and also removing the billing state. Now we want the four fields in the visible fields, and click on the save button. Our list view is added, and when we click on the drop down arrow, the account page of the customer list, the list view is shown. We can also pin this by simply clicking on the pin button. If we want to delete this list view, that we are added. So again click on the drop down arrow of the gear icon of the list view, and here you can see that the delete option is present. Click on this delete option, and the delete dialog box is open. Read the message carefully. If you delete this list view, it will be permanently removed from all the user with access. Are you sure to want to delete? If you want to delete this list view, so click on the delete button, and you can see that our list view is deleted. Now move forward and discuss how to add and remove the list view in Salesforce Classic. So for this, firstly click on the profile picture, and this is my profile picture. Under this profile picture, there is an option switch to Salesforce Classic. Click on this option. Our Salesforce Classic version is open. On the home tab, we can see that the loads of objects are present on the name bar, and here we want to have a list of customer object. Here we are selecting the account object. Click on the account object. The account record page is open. Under this page, there is a view that is already selected. We want to select the all account view and click on the go button. Our all account is shown under the account page, and if we want to create the new list view, so click on the create new button. Click on this button. The account create new view page is open. Now fill the view name. Firstly fill the view name, and here we are filling the view name as a customer list, and then enter the view unique name. We enter this by clicking on the field. When we click on the field, the customer list name is automatically generated by simply clicking on the view unique name field. And after that, specify the filter criteria, and here we are selecting the all account. After that, filter by additional field option. Firstly select the field, and here we are selecting the type field, and then select the operator as a equal, and then enter the value. We and click on the lookup icon. The lookup dialog box is open. Now select pick list value. To add below, we are selecting the customer channel, and then click on the insert selected, and our value is selected, and enter in the value field. Now select the display field type. Now I am selecting the account name which is automatically present in the selected field, and after that we want to select the account site. Search the account site. Where is the account site in the available field? This is the account site option. Click on this option and add to the selected field, and after that we want to add the type in the selected field. So search the type in the from the available field and add it to the selected field, and here is the type selected and add it to the selected field. And after that we want to add the account source. Search the account source option and add it to the selected field, and here is the account source and add it to the selected field. And after that we want to add the active option, and this is the active option, and add to the selected field. Now remove the account owner from the selected field, and also remove the billing state from the selected field, and all we do not want font in the selected field, so we also remove this. Now scroll to the bottom and select the checkbox of restricting visibility, but we want to choose the visible to all the user. This field is visible to all the user, so we selecting the visible to all the user option and click on the save button. And you can see that our customer list view is created. If you want to delete this list view, there is a delete option present. You simply click on this delete option, and the message pop up on the top of the page, delete this view. Click on the OK button, and our customer list view is deleted successfully. So with this, we have come to the end of the video session. We will see you in the next video.